Hi, I'm Kari Underly, James Beard nominated author, master butcher, and founder of Range Meat Academy. Traditionally, the breaking knife is used for removing subprimals from larger primals, but this versatile knife has many other uses. So we're going to use this breaking knife to show you how to remove the skin along with those versatile spare ribs. So I'm going to use the breaking knife, and we're going to use the back, and we're going to draw underneath the skin to get it started. We're using the curve of the knife, and now we have a longer knife stroke, so I can use the knife and pull it all the way down. Just let the knife do the work. We're following our cut line. Just let the knife do the work. On the inside of the pork belly, we could use this for bone-in pork belly, or we could remove the spare rib if we wanted to use this for bacon. I'm going to take my breaking knife and run it through the cartilage. These would be our pork rib tips. It goes right through that cartilage. So now I'm going to use the breaking knife to remove the spare rib. So again, we can just let the knife rest against the rib. Here's our belly. So here are the different cutting techniques that you can use with your breaking knife. You can use it to remove the skin, you can use it to remove bones, and you can also use it to portion and trim.